Right, first cold start of the season in my PT Cruiser. It's the diesel variant. It's the export version only. The US market did not get this car. Right. And it starts up right away. It's only 0 degrees Celsius outside, so, well, it says -2, but that's not right. As you see, it says -2 out, but it's actually only 0 degrees outside. Yeah, that thing is always wrong. It will self-adjust in a minute, but anyway, it seems to work, which is kind of cool. Seems to run quite well. I'll let it warm up. Set all the warming apparatus here, or the heater apparatus here. Set it on the window, and there you go. Let it heat up. But the belts are slipping a bit. Not too worried, but it seems to work fine. A lot of smoke out the back. There you go. First cold start of the season.